1935 Singer 15K 88 sewing machine. Comes with a wooden base in good condition. The machine itself is in good condition. 1935. It comes with a manual, very relevant information on operation of this machine. It's a central bobbin reverse feed. It's in working condition. It says a nice tight straight stitch, as you'll see in a second. Go ahead and start up the crank here. Stitches are adjustable, tension's adjustable. This is a nice portable machine in very good condition. Has the raft design, the Flying Eagle. Thanks very much for looking. 1935 Singer 15K 88, up for auction.